Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Capital One Shopping on Amazon. Capital One Shopping is a free tool that helps you save money and earn rewards while shopping online. To get started, you need to create an account on the Capital One Shopping website. Once you have created your account, you can install the Capital One Shopping browser extension, which is available for Chrome, Firefox, and Edge. This extension will alert you to potential savings and rewards while you shop on Amazon. When you search for a product on Amazon, the Capital One Shopping extension will automatically check for lower prices, coupons, and promo codes. If it finds any deals, it will notify you with a pop-up alert. You can then click on the alert to apply the coupon or promo code to your purchase. In addition to finding deals, Capital One Shopping also allows you to earn rewards on your purchases. You can earn credits that can be redeemed for gift cards or other rewards. To earn rewards, you need to make sure the Capital One Shopping extension is enabled while you shop on Amazon. To use Capital One Shopping on Amazon, simply shop as you normally would. When you are ready to check out, the extension will automatically apply any available coupons or promo codes to your purchase. You will also earn rewards credits on your purchase, which can be redeemed later. One of the best features of Capital One Shopping is its price history tool. This tool allows you to see the price history of a product over time, so you can determine if the current price is a good deal. To use the price history tool, simply click on the product page and look for the Capital One Shopping price history graph. Overall, using Capital One Shopping on Amazon is a great way to save money and earn rewards while shopping online. By following these steps and using the tool regularly, you can make the most of your online shopping experience and get the best deals possible.